To fix an algae washer that's not draining, it's essential to identify the cause of the issue. Common reasons for this problem include an unbalanced load, a clogged or kinked drain hose, or a clogged drain pump. To address these issues, start by checking the drain hose. First, disconnect the washer from the power source and access the hose from the back of the machine. Then, disconnect the hose and run a spin cycle to observe the water flow. If the water drains slowly or not at all, it's likely that debris is present in the hose. Use a wire hanger to remove any clogs, and also inspect the hose for kinks, removing them as needed. Reconnect the hose to the washer using a hose connector and check if the issue is resolved. Another potential solution is to check the load. Disconnect the washer from the power source and access the drum to assess the arrangement of the clothes. If the clothes are bunched together or piled on one side, redistribute them for even distribution. Additionally, consider reducing or adding clothes to the drum to avoid overloading or underloading. Finally, check the drain pump by disconnecting the drain hose and locating the pump. If debris is present, thoroughly clean the pump to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix an algae washer that's not draining, making the process relatively simple.